What's up guys, welcome to our channel. In this video I am going to show you how to install the brand new tire on the rims. For this you need the following tools: flathead screwdriver, rubber mallet, also spray bottle with the dishwasher soap. If you have a brand new rim, you have to install the valve stem. For that you need the stem puller and the valve stem. I will show you how to install it. I have already installed it, but I am going to show you exactly how to do it. Also you need the air pump and the ratchet belt. To install a valve stem, use some liquid soap and spray around this area, and then put it inside the stem hole in the rim, and then use the stem puller, thread in the puller onto the valve. Once it's threaded, you can just pull it straight and it will sit inside the hole from this area around here. Now it's time to install the tire on the rim. So take some soap water and spray around the edge, just like that. Now also around the rim. And put one corner inside and try to push it as much as possible. And then take the screwdriver. Use only the tip. Don't use the round part. And try to push the rubber inside. Use your knees on the tire to keep the tire inside the rim. Now one side is inside, so we have to do same thing again for the other side. So spray some liquid soap. Now next step is to close the bead. For that I'm going to wrap the ratchet strap around the tire to put some pressure. So let's do it. Now use the soap water and apply all around the bead in both sides. Now we're going to start the air pump to put some air and produce some pressure inside. As you can see over here, our bead is sealed. I slammed the tire on the floor by running the pump on. So it sealed the bead in certain areas. But in other area like this one, I still have to close the bead. I'm going to keep the pump running until the pressure builds and it's going to close the bead automatically. That's how you close the bead. Now we have to just pump the tire to the specific pressure and that's it. Your tire is ready. And next step is we have to do the balancing. I'm going to use this portable wheel balancer to balance our newly installed tire. This one works based on the air bubble in the water principle. As you can see, the bubble is in the center. It means right now the balancer is fully balanced position. When I'm going to put the wheel on the top, it's going to move in certain position and we're going to use the weights to balance it. As you can see, our bubble is moved a little bit on this side. It means we have more weight on this way. So we have to put some amount of weight on this corner.
Fill me out with your smile, now the sunshine.
Now I'm going to use the straight line from the middle of the weight over here and then going to stick the weight inside the ring. So finally our tire is fully installed and fully balanced so it can go on the car. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like, share and subscribe. See you next time.